I'm sharing my screen. I hope everyone able to see my screen. Yeah. So welcome to Success Factors. First of all of you, welcome to Success Factors, and congratulations that you are going to become a Success Factors consultant. Welcome to the world of Success Factors again. We called as Success Factors HXM suite. How it's connected with different modules, both success factors different modules as well as success factors third party systems, and success factors how it supports with the payroll systems, with the benefit systems and guidance appreciation, and how it can be impact on HR processes, and how it can be empowered your learning, your career development and improvement and opportunities and growth, all these things that we are going to discuss. Success factors, it's a cloud system. It's a cloud system. For example, let me explain you. For example, there is a company called MSN Pharma. MSN Pharma. In MSN Pharma, for example, if we have 10,000 employees are working in MSN Pharma, 10,000 employees working in MSN Pharma means here you have 10,000 employees data. Who maintain this data? Who can maintain this data? It's a HR team responsibility within the MSN Pharma. HR team in the sense here HR department responsibility to maintain this 10,000 employees master data. End of the day, the data, it's the thing. So HR department responsibility to maintain this 10,000 employees master data. The word is too simple, maintenance of employee master data. But behind this, to maintain employee master data, it's not a simple task. You require a software or a application like a HR related software, HR related application that you require to maintain master data, to store master data. We require HR related softwares to do this. So in the market, we have a number of softwares at outside. Out of that, from SAP, we have two HR softwares, HCM as well as SuccessFactors. From Oracle, we have Fusion, as well as HCM, Workday, right? PeopleSoft, Workday, PeopleSoft, like this, a number of HR softwares in the market that we have. Out of all these, SAP, it's in top place. SAP always in the top place in the world market in the ERP. Let's say, for example, to maintain employee master data here, we required any of the HR related software. We are talking about SAP products, HCM as well as SuccessFactors. For example, if you choose HCM, test case 1, if you choose SuccessFactors. For example, if you choose HCM to implement any the HR product or HR software, HCM, it's a on-premise system. This is on-premise system. Whereas SuccessFactors, it's a cloud system. As a SuccessFactors consultant, you need to understand what's the on-premise system and what's the cloud system. On-premise system, you know, for each and every software, it has three layers. It has three layers. It has three layers. One is presentation layer. It's at the top, presentation layer. Second one is application layer. Application layer. Third one is database layer. For example, let's say if you take any software, let's say for example, if you take HCM, SAP HCM. In SAP HCM, the moment you give the command like PA20, immediately system will check the PA20 related algorithm and it will get the data from the database. So the database data, it will present front end to you by taking some command from PA20 and picking up the data from the database. Same like here, for every software, it has their own database. Why? To store the data. To store the data. So here for HCM, we have one database. For SuccessFactors also, we have one database to store the data. So the database in the sense here we call as server. For SuccessFactors also, we have the server. The main key difference in between these two, in HCM, the server maintenance completely with client. The server maintenance completely by the client. By the client only. But SuccessFactors server maintenance by SAP directly. In this situation, if you choose SuccessFactors, you need not to install any server. You need not to maintain any server. SAP directly maintain all the servers in their data centers. But if you choose HCM, the server maintenance completely you need to take care of. To do that, you required additional manpower, you required separate infrastructure, you required installation of this server, right? But if you choose SuccessFactors, the SuccessFactors servers maintained by SAP in their own data centers. The data centers in each and every continent they have, so they maintain the servers by SAP. In this case, you need not to separate manpower, you need not separate infrastructure, it's not required, and installations, it's not required. Without installations, how this system works? It's a completely web-based. Because it's a cloud system. You require the only URL, username, and password. This is enough to access the system from anywhere, and you can work on the system, sit anywhere in the world. So a minimal internet connectivity, it's enough to connect the system, to access the system anywhere from the world. And SuccessFactors, it's a cloud system, and now it's an advanced HR digital system. At the same time, it's a AI enabled system as well. It's a AI enabled system. The AI name here in SAP, it's called Joule. Going forward, almost all HR jobs will be replaced with Joule. For example, not 100%. If you have 10 jobs in HR, out of 10 jobs, at least 5 jobs will replace with artificial intelligence tools. AI cannot replace the developers or consultants. Let me give some example. For example, for example, I'm an employee in the company. I'm an employee in the company. Let's say I have some query. I have some query related to my insurance benefits which company provides to me. Insurance benefits which company provides to me. In this case, I have a small query with my insurance details. So what I need to do, I need to check with my HR executive actually. So I need to go the HR department and I need to sit with one of the HR executive. I need to resolve my query about my insurance details. For example, if my company implemented some advanced HR digital technology, which is AI enabled, simply I open the laptop, I log in into my HRMS system, and if I put my query in Joule, sorry, if I put my query in the Joule, Joule can answer my query. So your insurance details are so and so, the eligibility it's a so and so, and the yearly package is so and so. These details Joule can provide. That means I need not any HR executive here physically because it replacing by Joule and Joule giving all these answers. In that case, I'm not required these HR executives or HR managers. So artificial intelligence can replace all the front end jobs. Almost 50% the artificial intelligence tools they can replace, but they cannot replace the consultant roles or developer roles. The best example is this. Joule giving these details, picking up from database and put in front of you. But here you need to think about how Joule picking up the exact details from database because someone in the backend put all these details in the database. Who is the person that's a consultant? In SAP world, we call as consultant. In general, we called as developers. In general, we called as developers. So definitely human intervention, the human brain, it's a required to design the system. So these people put all the details employee wise. That means the employee groups wise they put in the system. Joule connect with the database and filter that employee details and put in front of you. In this case, I need not additional manpower in my HR department. So my Joule can work on that. So out of 10 HR employees, I need not 10 employees, 5 employees are enough. Remaining 5 employees duty, Joule can do that. But Joule cannot replace the backend person's consultants or developers. So this course, it's a designed for the consultant role. This course is project oriented, the real time one project oriented, as well as consultant oriented training. This course is designed for consultant oriented. Okay. Now, that's a simple introduction to success factors. What is success factors and what is the difference between success factors and SAP HCM? Both the products are from SAP. Both the products are from SAP. And one more thing here, success factors started in 2011. A technology has 15 years of age means it's a very at the starting stage. Very at starting stage. If you are in success factors now, you can also grow along with the success factors and you can retire within the success factors with the job secure. If you are in success factors, we will give the assurance that your job will be secure always, even number of artificial tools in the market. Why? Because developers or consultants, artificial intelligence cannot replace. That's the one reason. Second reason, SuccessFactors is most advanced HR digital technology within the market right now. So if you are in SuccessFactors, your job will be secure always, even any or n number of artificial intelligence tools in the market. So that's about simple introduction to success factors and how it cannot affect with the artificial intelligence tools. So any questions here? Praveen? Any questions, Praveen? Praveena, sorry.
No, sir.
Praveena, Prashant, Rajkumar. Rajkumar, are you able to hear us? Prashant?
Yes, sir, you was sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions on this? Okay. So moving to the next. So different learning journeys to learn success factors. We have different paths to learn success factors, like by using the implementation guides, learning of access, and different exam patterns and process designs from various channels that you can learn success factors. And yes, success factors, it's a ERP system. It's a ERP system. So what is ERP? Again, success factors, it's a ERP system. Success factors, ERP system. HCM, ERP system. Oracle Fusion, ERP system. Workday, ERP system. What is ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. For example, if you want to start one company, if you want to start one enterprise, it's a package. ERP means it's a package. Let's say if you want to start one company or enterprise, you require resource. Resource in the sense not only a manpower. You required different types of resources. For example, you required manpower, you required capital, you required some material based on that, based on your company type, and you required marketing strategies, you required sales, right? All these are different resources to start your enterprise or to start your company. Here, all these resources collectively together, we call as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. To start one enterprise, all these resources you need to plan in a efficient way. To do that, all these together you require into one package that is called ERP. ERP software. It's a package, ERP software. So your HCM, it's ERP software. Your SuccessFactors, ERP software. Your SD, it's ERP software. Like that. So enterprise resource planning. So what are the characteristics of ERP? See, what's an ERP system? The characteristics of ERP. And look at here, if you want to start one construction company, a one new enterprise, you required inventory management, you required materials, you required vendor management, you required compliance and taxes, you required human resource, you required purchases, you required contracts management. Simple. Different departments collectively together to start one company or to plan one company to operate it. That's called ERP system, the enterprise resource planning. The characteristics of ERP, it's a packaged software designed for a client server environment. It's integrated with majority of the business process. ERP system can connect with or integrate with any of the third-party systems and within the SAP systems. And ERP allow access the data in the real time. Yes. So in the ERP system, at any point of time, you can access the data. And who can learn success factors? Who can learn success factors? Anyone can learn the success factors first of all. Any HR background people, any other domain background people, and any recruiters, any graduates and postgraduates, they can learn success factors. Anyone, can learn success factors. There is nothing any prerequisite to learn the success factors. No prerequisites. In the market, there is some false statement like to learn success factors, first you require some HCM knowledge. SAP HCM knowledge. No, it's absolutely wrong. You need not any prior SAP HCM knowledge. Anyone can learn success factors. Anyone can learn the success factors. There is nothing any prerequisite. The only prerequisite is your interest. And yeah, success factors, it's the product from SAP. What is SAP? You know, SAP, it's a company started in 1972. The abbreviation of SAP, it's a system, applications, and products. It has almost 100 plus modules right now across the world. And what is success factors? Success factors, it's a one of the module from SAP. It's a cloud-based HR software. SF is a global leader right now in the HR business execution software. And it's acquired by SAP in 2010. Earlier, SuccessFactors, it's a standalone company. Right now, it's acquired in 2010 by SAP. And who are SuccessFactors? Before 2010. Before 2010, SuccessFactors, it's a standalone company. It's a cloud-based HCM solution. Headquartered in California, started in 2001. In 2010, SAP officially acquired this company, and from 2011 onwards, SAP has given the licenses to the customers. And see, the drastic changes, the drastic increase of SuccessFactors licenses from 2011 to today. Out of 100%, right now only 5% of SAP clients implemented SuccessFactors. Rest of 95% still they need to migrate to SuccessFactors. So in the future, you have a lot of work, a lot of projects. Right now, a number of calls going on for SuccessFactors Employee Central module in particular. So in the upcoming future as well, we have a lot of projects in SuccessFactors. If you are in SuccessFactors, again I am repeating, your job will be secure and you can retire in your career with the SuccessFactors also. And SuccessFactors now it supports almost 75 plus local languages. No one, any other software near to this. The only SuccessFactors supports 75 plus languages within the across the world. And see, these people are competitors to us, SAP SuccessFactors. It's a Oracle Fusion, Ceridian Dayforce, and UKG Pro, and ADP Workforce Now, and Workday. All these applications and softwares are competitor to SAP SuccessFactors. Still, SAP SuccessFactors maintaining top place in ERP world. Why? Because there are a number of reasons. The first thing is SAP SuccessFactors, it's a most advanced digital technology and it's AI enabled technology. At the same time, SuccessFactors has a good market and a lot of innovations right now that we have in SAP SuccessFactors. And SAP SuccessFactors most user-friendly software. It's a highly user-friendly software. If you compare with SAP HCM, once we start the project, then you can understand SAP SuccessFactors most user-friendly application to us when compared with other products like Oracle, Ceridian, UKG Pro, and Workforce Now. And see, currently SuccessFactors supporting 75 plus local languages, 75 plus country payroll specifics they are supporting right now. No other software near to this localizations. And yeah, the difference between SuccessFactors as well as SAP HCM. Just now we discussed what is SAP HCM and what is SuccessFactors. If you look at the features wise, if it is HCM and if it is SuccessFactors, easy to use, large learning curve. Yes, If you look at your SAP HCM SPRO path, it's a huge, it's a kind of a version. But when coming to cloud based, it's a modern and experience based. Let me show you the success factor system as well once this one completed. And in efficiency point of view, tool sets point of view, and approvals point of view, mass updates point of view, the cloud based applications, the success factors, always it's a user friendly driven at the same time easily to understand. And the installations, nothing any installations required, non-local installations required for cloud-based, but for SAP HCM kind of thing, the on-premise systems, local installations must and should required, and hardware and software you must and should be maintained. Extra workforce is required to maintain the hardware. No workforce is required here. And economically, it's a cost to the company. If you choose cloud-based system, it's not costing to the company because the only minimal internet connectivity is enough to access and to work on the system. And the cloud models, different types of cloud models, and the benefits with the cloud models. Look at here. Nothing any hardware or maintenance required. Yes, that's true. And subscription-based licensing model. Let's say, for example, if you want to use the system for 1 year, yes, you can. SAP can provide the license on that. And you can access from anywhere, and a consistent performance and stability and upgrades, it's a free of cost. Yes, you can access from anywhere, nothing any installations required. You can take 6 months license, 1 year license like that to check the system how it works. And see the data center addresses. You know, all SuccessFactors servers maintained in their own data centers. The data centers across the world SAP has. So each and every data center, the product, the URL and the IP addresses here provided in this slide. It's not required. Just to check what is the data center address. That's it. And different types of modules that we have in SuccessFactors. In SuccessFactors, we have 4 categories of modules: core HR solutions, talent solutions, HR analytics, and social collaboration. If you come one by one, core HR solutions, Employee Central Payroll. Employee Central, the core HR master data, the core employee master data. Simply say maintenance of employee master data. The sentence is too simple, but the subject is it's a version. The subject is it's a version. When coming to Employee Central Payroll, the complete end-to-end cloud payroll process, the payroll process for the employees. All these together we call as core HR solutions. When coming to talent solutions, like it's a simple, like recruitment, onboarding, compensation, L&D, and PMGM. Apart from employee master data, any other operative modules like recruitment operations, onboarding operations, performance management operations, and hikes internally like a compensation, all these are the part of talent solutions. When coming to HR analytics, workforce planning and workforce analytics, it's a completely reporting tools. These two are completely reporting modules. So if you want some advanced reports, if you want to take it up, so you can take it up. HR analytics, 2 modules here we have HR analytics and planning. And social collaboration, job. We have on the public platform, Insta, Facebook, LinkedIn, within the company, limited to within the company and within the company employees, there is one common platform from SuccessFactors, that is job. By using this job, companies can post or place their policy documents. At the same time, all employees connected together, they can share their thoughts, they can share the suggestions, and they can also advertise themselves if they have any personally. But that job, it's a limited within the company. It's not a public platform. It's a within the company. It is called social collaboration. Yeah. The SuccessFactors system landscape. So before going to this, so any questions till now? Any questions, team, till now?
No,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Pravina, Rajkumar, Prashant. Any questions do you have?
No, sir. Nothing, sir.
Okay, perfect. Now the system landscape. See, any system has, or any software has three systems, like a development system, trial system or test system, and a production system. In SuccessFactors also, we have development system, quality system, and a production system. The production system, if you look at here, the production system we called as instance. So this production system is a live system. In this system, we have all features, HR related all features, the entire employee data, and users, that means users data here in this production system, and this is accessible to the all employees in the front end. Behind that, you have two layers, quality system as well as development system. Quality system, it's for end users or HR users to check the system capability or to test all the features. And the development system, it's a consultant oriented. That means consultant specific system. If consultant wants to check anything or test anything, they can perform these things in development system. What I'm trying to say, the production system behind two system layers that we have, this is common to every software. And yeah, activate methodology. To implement any SuccessFactors projects, we need to follow some methodology that is called activate methodology. This is interview question, your interview question. So in activate methodology, if you want to implement SuccessFactors projects, total 4 phases. In this course also, we follow the same activate methodology. It's a kind of project that we are going to perform. It's not a kind of a course. It's not just to open the system, just to configure the system and to test the system. No. In the real time, if you are a consultant, if you are in one project, the greenfield project from scratch to go live, how it works, here in this course also, we perform the same thing. By the end of the course, you will experience one real-time project definitely, and the entire core concepts and content of this course equal to 5 to 6 years of experience. That's a very much clear. So in the preparation stage, we need to set up the systems and we need to enable the systems, create all login user accounts for all the consultants. Once it's completed, we need to explore the requirements from the client. Is there any gaps? Whether these all requirements fit into SuccessFactors or not, you need to identify. Post that, you need to configure the system and test the system. Once it's a finalizer, yes, the system is working fine post UAT by the test users, then you need to release the system to all employees. Before release, you need to provide the user training to all the users because the users are new to this system. In this course also, we follow the same activate methodology. And the opportunities with the SuccessFactors. Yes, global opportunities that we have. One of my last to last batch student, she traveled to Dubai, Middle East, with the handsome package. The moment end of the course, she put the resume and she selected in one of the Middle East company, product based company, and now she is in Dubai and she earn a big, much handsome amount. And a lot of career opportunities depends on your level. At the same time, the handsome packages in SuccessFactors right now that we have at a fresher level, it starts at 5 to 6 LPA. And on-site opportunities, the travel opportunities. If you want to move to the country to another country like Europe region or US region or Middle East, yes, SuccessFactors, it's the global branding technology. You can move such kind of countries if you require. And with this course, additionally, with this course, So we provide the daily recording sessions for your practice point of view, and standard materials also that we will share with you, and a cloud system access. In this course, total 3 months cloud system access that we provide, that's the includes in the fee. You need not to pay separately. And we will conduct the mock interviews to test your capability and your practice levels, and sample project document. In the real time, we prepare one document to implement the project, one sample live project document that we will share with you. And if we have in our notice any jobs, any openings that we have, we will post to you always. So yeah, any questions? Any questions, team? So that's it for day one. Just an introduction to success factors. What is what? So any questions, team? Okay. Everyone in silence. That is fine. So you can reach out to institute coordinator for further details. And day two demo that we will start tomorrow. Total 2 days demo that we have. In tomorrow's session, what are the modules in detail? Of course, today just we walk through with the modules. The modules in detail, what we have, and within the employee center, within the success factors, we are going to cover the employee central module, what it is, and what kind of projects that we have in the real time. And this course is designed for which type of project, and all the projects, how can we handle as a consultant, and a consultant's roles and responsibilities in detail. And once you joined in any company, what you are going to work, as well as how to handle the client, and how to conduct the workshops, and what are the real-time documents that we use in projects, in real-time projects. Each and every the concept, it's a project related. Today we walked through with what is success factors and what is what. Tomorrow it's a project related. So success factors projects, what is what, each and every detail about the project. So you are going to learn one end to end, one real-time project. By end of the course, you can feel and experience like that you participated one real-time project. And if you have good capability and good practice, you can project at least 5 years experience by taking this course. That's the assurance from our end. Okay. So tomorrow it's a project class, the complete end-to-end project class. What is what in success factors that we'll go and discuss in tomorrow's session. So any questions, team?